Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy last Monday of the year. You all are doing great and keep it up. But I want to talk to you about electric currents. All right. Now, this is going to add on to what Mrs. Harwood has already said in the past slides, but we're talking specifically about this demo. And you're on the right track if you're watching this video. Okay, so let's get going. First things first, let's talk about an electric current. An electric current is the rate of flow of charged particles. You have electric charge that is made up of protons and electrons, positively charged, negatively charged, that are moving around us right now. When these electrons flow in a circuit, a current is produced. So you can have electrons just standing somewhere, but when you add some more energy to it in a circuit, it flows. And so in this demo, you'll be able to practice with a ammeter, and it measures the current in a circuit. Okay, let's keep going. Now you have an electric current, and we're going to make this. So it's the energy source, aka a battery. So here's our battery that gives energy to electrons. So you have electrons all around here and pushes them around this circuit to form the negative and positive terminals of a cell. So here's the negative of a battery, and here's a positive of a battery. With this interaction, you have electrons flowing together, and you have a switch. So it's like, this is the switch for a battery, there's the battery, there's a power source, and this is how it moves along. So you have two lights. So we're going to practice with that today, and you're going to do all sorts of different stuff with that too. Okay? Ready? Steady? Here we go. Now, once you have looked over those slides again, we're going to go here. So we're going to click on the FET, and it's going to take us to a simulation, right? So notice what's on this side. We're building our own circuits. So all you have to do, these are all the different things you can tinker with and play with, right? You have pencils, dogs, hands, you got a wire, you got coins, erasers, paper clips, a dollar bill. So a lot of stuff here you can use. But we want to make circuits. I want to make a simple circuit, right? We're going to have a wire. We're going to have a couple light bulbs. You drag this in. And then notice how you have different points of the wire connecting. So you just connect them. All right, you connect these. Then you're going to need some sort of battery. So here's a battery. There's a big battery. You can use different kind of batteries as well. And then we're going to need some sort of switch, right? So let's go to our switch. Not a Nintendo switch. We're talking about this kind of switch. Maybe we go over here with it. And we're going to make some more wires so we can connect these over here. And you need these to connect at these different dots. See how I'm doing this? Okay, boom, boom. We're connecting. We have this battery here. Let's get another wire and connect these. So I don't know if this is going to work, but we have a battery. We have two different sides of the battery to flow the energy, right? We're going to make this hopefully turn on both lights with this switch connected to this very simple series circuit. Whoa! That is beautiful. But it's flowing this way, right? So these blue little dots, these are the electrons that are flowing. This is the positive side of the battery, the negative side of the battery. All right. And I wonder if you click and, oh, voltage. So you could even turn, so we have only 100 volts right now. Check this out. With only 100 volts, very, very slow. Look how slow those are moving. But if you change this battery, so double click the battery, let's go all the way. What's going to happen? Whoa. Oh, jeez. So you have all these electrons going, you have a fire starting. This is crazy. This is just insane. Okay? All right. Well, that's our simple circuit. Ways that you can improve this or change this. Well, you have certain stuff here, right? Like what if we use a coin? Now, there are some parts that are called a conductor and some parts that are called an insulator. So I'm curious if we snip that side, click it out, we move this over here, and we connect that side to this side. Do we think it'll still run? Let's check it out. Boom! But I mean, that's still on fire, so we have to turn that off, go to our battery, change the voltage just a little bit, and that should be perfect. Look at that flowing. Flowing in the positive, out the negative. In the positive, out the negative. What a beautiful circuit. So this is where I'm going to end up leaving you guys, all right? Because what if we put an eraser right, maybe we will take, let's cut that. Let's move this over here. Let's have another wire and put that wire in there. Guys, what's going to happen here? Huh? Nothing. Why is that? Freaking me out. Freaking me out. So this is an insulator, right? This is an insulator. So you can actually take out that insulator. And I'm not going to show you how, but one of the goals is to actually, you can trash that, try to see if you can set something on fire. All right, and if we can connect these all back together. So there's this. And let's say you want to set a pencil on fire. I wonder what you would do there. I'm going to try it. It might not work, but that's going to be one of your jobs to figure this out. Okay, so let me cut that. Let me put this here. Put this here, maybe in between the lights. The lights probably won't work, but maybe they'll turn on fire. Whoop. What? So you're telling me that we have this electricity moving through the pencil? Interesting. Interesting. Let me pause that. So just to review, guys, and I really would like you to tinker with this, you reset by this button. We want you to use wires, different batteries, different light bulbs. You do not have to worry about a resistor, but you will need a switch of some sort. Try out a light bulb, right? And I want you to really play around with, you can put a dog in the mix, like you can connect wire to a dog. What's that puppy gonna do? Can a puppy start the electricity? I don't know. I really don't know. Does this even do anything? We need a switch of some sort. I'm just playing around now because this is like super fun and a big highlight of my day. So, nothing much has happened there. Okay, what if we change up the bolts? Anything? Nothing. All right. Well, folks, that is something for you to check out. All right. But this is where a lot of the magic is going to happen for you to check it out. So when you're all done with this, all right, play around with it. It should take you some time. There are some directions, right? Watch the video I'm just making right now. Read slides number 11 and 12. They're from before. Engage, I'll fix that. Engage with the FET demo that we were just working with. Make your own circuits, and here are some directions of how you can work with that stuff, okay? And everything can be found right online, okay? And answer questions on slide 15. And ask us some questions and take your time, okay? And here are the questions, right? What are the blue dots moving in our systems, okay? Then we have what is happening with the light bulbs, and then how and what did you set on fire? That's your goal. All right, that's all from me, folks. Good job, and I will talk to you soon.